Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel EduSet. Today I'll be solving just question paper solution for electronics section, and the just exam was held on Sunday. So make sure to like, share and subscribe my video, and without any further delay, let's just start the video. Okay, so this is question number 17. In the figure below with ideal op amps, the value of R, V1 and V2 is given. You need to calculate the V output. So what we'll do here is we'll apply nodal analysis. Nodal analysis at this point and at this point. So from the first point, what we'll obtain is P is equal to minus of V1, and from second point we'll obtain V minus V minus V2 is equal to V0. Okay, so since V is equal to minus V1 is given and V1 is given in the option, that will be minus of 10, and then minus 30 is given, then minus it will be plus. So the correct answer will be plus 20 volt, that is option number C. Next is question number 20. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. So regular hexagon, you have to calculate the vector AB plus vector AC plus vector AD plus vector AE plus vector AF. So what we'll do here is that this is regular hexagon. In regular hexagon, each sides are equal. That is the property of hexagon. So here let this be A, let this be B, C, D, E and F. Okay, got it. So now what we'll do is AB plus AC can be written as AB, and AC can be written as AB and plus AB plus BC. Okay, this part is clear. Vector sign shouldn't be missing. Okay, so what we'll obtain is that AB plus AC is equal to 2AB plus BC. Okay, यानी कि AB plus AC is equal to 2AB vector plus AB plus BC vector. Okay, now for AE and AF, from similar point of view, what you will get is 2AD vector plus 2DE vector and plus DF vector. So from this, what the conclusion is that AB and AC are vectorically opposite to DE and DF. Okay, so from this we'll simply get the answer to be option number D, 3AD. Okay, this is question number 11. A negative logic is one in which the zeros and ones in the truth tables are interchanged. In such a negative logic, the normal AND gate would behave like it's simply, the correct answer here is NOR gate, option number. For question number 8, an ideal op amp and a silicon transistor T are used in the following circuit. Find the output voltage. So silicon transistor has the output voltage of plus 0.7 volt. Okay, everyone I hope knows it, and since it's ideal op amp, and the correct answer here is simply option number C. No calculation is required at all. For question number 4, in an open circuited PN junction diode, the barrier voltage at the junction is generated due to, here the answer is option number B, majority carriers in the PN N sides. Just the opposite when not open. So that's all for part A section electronic questions. I'll be meeting you again with more questions and solutions. Thank you so much for watching.